Here we go. The cumin taste is very strong. What's up everybody, I'm Anthony and welcome back to the Hot Pepper Show. Today I'm taking a trip down there in the afterlife with my friend Hellboy. I'm gonna be suffering with this. This is a sauce from Hellfire Hot Sauces. They are also the creators of Blueberry Hell, this one right here, which got me getting like even more hot head. Before that I was like, okay, like hot sauce is good, but on dessert, I wouldn't put it there. But then I got this sauce and I became addicted to hot sauce on my desserts. So I buy a lot of dessert hot sauce. This Blueberry Hell hot sauce is super fruity. There are a bunch of fruits in there like blackberries, blueberries. They've got others, I don't remember them, but that's not the point today. We're talking about Hellboy. So Hellfire Hot Sauce, they have 4 different versions of Hellboy. The first one is Anum Unrama, which I do not know what it means. They say 5 out of 10 for that one. After that, they've got Hellboy Legendary as, which is their 8 out of 10 heat scale. They've got this one, the Hellboy Extreme Hot Sauce, which says on the side, this sauce is the hottest non-extract hot sauce in the world. Is it true? We're gonna find out later. They say 10 out of 10. And they've got the Hellboy Right Hand of Doom, which is 15 out of 10. To get that, they put some 6.66 million Scoville heat units, which is the number of the devil. So today I've got this one, and these 4 Hellboy hot sauces are officially licensed the Hellboy 2019 movie. And we're gonna see what this bad boy tastes like. Okay, let's do this. I am not safe with this bad boy here. Okay, so just with the texture, I can see that there's like a lot of stuff going on in there. For the ingredients, there are Reaper pepper mash, Trinidad scorpion pepper mash, apple cider vinegar, Jalokia pepper mash, red 7 pot primal pepper mash, sun-dried tomatoes, garlic, and cumin. So mostly pepper mash. This is gonna be hot. I'm shaking already. Okay, so let's see the smell. It smells very good, but very hot. I can smell the tomatoes in there. Okay, let's taste it. So once again, this hot sauce, you can buy it on their Hellfire Hot Sauce website. There's going to be a link in the description below. But I bought it at my good friends saucepicante.ca. I'm pretty sure you can get it in a lot of places on the internet. This is very thick sauce. It's not coming out. Oh my gosh. It's gonna be rough. Okay. A bit more. I feel like there's a smell that I have not had in other sauces. Maybe it's the tomatoes, like the sun-dried tomatoes with cumin and garlic. I don't know, there's a very good smell. It smells super good, very tasty. I'm shaking. I'm really scared of that one. Okay. All right, this is the hot pepper show. Here we go. The cumin taste is very strong. Oh. Okay. So the flavor is pretty special. You can really taste the spices in there, like the cumin, the garlic, and the sun-dried tomatoes come out as well pretty well. Oh, that's annoying. All right. So very good sauce. Not at all the flavor profile I thought it was gonna be. Ouch. Ouch. The heat is good. Oh, pretty good heat. For me, it's not 10 out of 10 at all. I've had worse. I need oh my God. We can cut that out if necessary. All right, so I'm feeling it like in my esophagus. It's not too bad. The bottle says, mess with the devil and you will get the horns. This sauce will wake up the demons inside you. It says, this is hottest non-extra hot sauce in the world. So there's a little mistake there. Containing 85% straight up pepper mash. Use with caution and enjoy. I did not use with caution. So yeah, that's about it. Great sauce. Very hot. Not for the average human person. My eyes are watery. But well, that's about it. So if you liked that video, like, share, subscribe. If I get enough likes, shares, and subscribes, I might do the 3 other Hellboys. But it's not gonna be for now. So like, share, subscribe, tell your friends, and enjoy your day. Thank you very much.